Hello Year 2 and welcome to your first maths meeting at home. You're going to need something to write with and something to write on. That can be your homework book. If you don't have these things, pause the video and go and get them now so you're ready. Right, let's get started. Join in with this rhyme that I know you know very well. 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone, which has but 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. This helps us remember 30 days in September, April, June and November. Every other month has 31 days except for February. Using this rhyme, can you tell me how many days are there in October? Pause the video while you have a think and write the answer down. How many days in October? Great. Before I show you the answer, I've got another question for you. How many days in January? How many days in January? Pause the video while you have a think and write it down. Let's see if you're right. How many days in October? There are 31 days in October. And how many days are there in January? There are 31 days in January. Good work. Let's have a look at Benny and his piggy bank. What is the value of one of these coins? Correct, 10 pence. If one of these coins is worth 10 pence, how much money does Benny have altogether in his bank? Pause the video while you work it out and write it down. If one of these coins is worth 10 pence, then I can just count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. He's got 5 tens equal to 50 pence. Don't forget you need to write the P after to show that it's pence. Another one. He's only got 2 coins in his bank this time, but what's the value of one of these coins? 50 pence. He's got 2 50 pence pieces. How much money does he have altogether? Pause the video to give yourself time to work it out and write it down. 2 50s. 2 50s is equal to 100. I know this because 2 5s is equal to 10. So 5 tens and 5 tens is equal to 100. 100 pence is also equal to £1. They're the same thing. Benny has got £1 in his bank. If you wrote 100p, you're also correct. One more. We know this one's 50 pence. What's the value of this coin? 20 pence. How much money does Benny have altogether? Pause the video to give yourself a chance to work it out. Okay, let's have a look. I've got 50 plus 20 plus 20. I've got 5 tens and 2 tens and another 2 tens. 5 and 2 and 2 is equal to 9. So 50, 20 and 20 is equal to 90. Very well done. Let's move on to our multiples. We're going to get very good at these on our current unit on multiplication and division. Can everyone join in and help me count in 5s, please? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Hey, some of you aren't joining in. Come on, guys, help me out. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. You have just counted in 5s, multiples of 5. And you see, all multiples of 5 end in a 5 or a 0. Please can you write down for me the first 3 multiples of 5? You just counted in multiples of 5. Write down the first 3. Pause the video to give yourself some time. The first 3 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, and 15. Tick or fix your answer. Let's have a look at our place value. Now, your parents haven't seen these funny looking blocks before. These are our deans. What is the value of this dean? It's a 10. Great job. And what is the value of this dean? It's a 1. Well done. Looking at the number 42, what is the value of the number 4 in 42? It's worth 4 tens. 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 4 tens. And the value of 2 in 42? 2 ones. 1, 2. Well done. In the number 42, 42 has how many tens? 4 tens. And how many ones? 2 ones. 42 has 4 tens and 2 ones. A new number, 68. Now, you don't have deans at home, but I know you're very good at drawing a line to represent our tens and a dot to represent our ones. It's much quicker. Given the number 68, can you please draw the tens and ones that represent this number and complete the sentence? 68 has how many tens and how many ones? Pause the video while you draw your deans and complete the sentence. Let's have a look. 68 has 6 tens and 8 ones. 60 and 8. 68 has 6 tens and 8 ones. Well done. One more. Can you do exactly the same for the number 39? How many tens and how many ones in the number 39? Pause the video while you draw your deans and write the sentence. Let's have a look. 39 has 3 tens, 30, and 9 ones, 9, 30, and 9. Help me with the sentence. 39 has 3 tens and 9 ones. Excellent work. Now remember that because we're going to use that knowledge to know what Noah knows. I've used the number 39 as our whole again. Here's my part whole model, and I've got 4 equations, 2 addition and 2 subtraction. Do you know what Noah knows to work out the missing number? 30 plus 9 is equal to 39 is our whole. Now we know all of our parts and wholes. Can you work out the missing number in the rest of the equations? Pause the video while you write them down. Okay, 39 was my whole, 30 and 9 are my parts. If I know 30 plus 9 is 39, then I know 9 plus 30 equals 39. If I know 9 plus 30 equals 39, then I know 39 subtract 9 is equal to 30. And I know that 39 subtract 30 is equal to 9. Remember, when we're subtracting, we're always starting with the whole. Last thing, Shia and her shapes. Let's just double check we know the name of all of these shapes. Join in with me. Circle, rectangle, triangle, oval. octagon, square, heptagon, rhombus, pentagon, hexagon, kite. Shia is thinking of a four-sided shape. All of its edges are equal. What shape is she thinking of? A four-sided shape with all of its edges equal. Let's just use this to help us. A four-sided shape with all of the edges equal. Pause the video while you have a think. A four-sided shape with all of the edges equal. That must be a square. All of the edges are equal. A square. And that's your first maths meeting of the week. Well done, Year 2. Some great maths revision. We'll see you soon. Bye.